Today we're playing a little game where you guys try to figure out the one item that might be making you look outdated or is maybe even aging you. All right, we're starting off very easy with this example. This is more just finding something that's out of place. This isn't necessarily going to make you look outdated or older or anything like that. It's just an easy example. Obviously, I used AI to generate these photos, which I am normally not a fan of AI, but I thought it was fun to put women in different scenarios or situations, and then you guys can kind of find what could be improved. So for this one, I feel like a lot of you probably got it right immediately. It's the hair tie or the scrunchie on the wrist. She looks great otherwise, but the hair tie or the scrunchie on the wrist, I feel like always does bring down an outfit. But again, she's working at home. She's on her laptop at home. Like, who the heck cares? This is not a big deal at all. Just an example of finding something that could be improved. Next, we have this photo. So overall, again, not that bad. We're just kind of dipping our toes into this fun challenge here. But overall, I do think she is wearing something that is making her look older than she really is. And in my opinion, I think it is the fedora hat. Obviously, in this photo, it's fake, but it appears that she is on vacation, maybe in Italy. She's like roaming the streets of Tuscany. I have no idea. But if you're wearing a hat to have sun out of your face or like for a purpose, then like who the heck cares? But if you're wearing it as an accessory to be in style, I feel like it can actually age you just because they're just so not in style anymore. I think a better accessory here is just like an improvement of the outfit, a pair of pants with the belt. The belt is a much more in style accessory. Overall, both outfits are fine and I wouldn't even think twice about either one, just giving you something to think about. And before we move on, I want to emphasize that this is just a fun game. None of this matters at the end of the day. You truly should wear whatever the heck you want to wear. I'm also kind of hoping that this video will maybe spark some outfit inspiration for you guys, maybe new things that you could try. Moving along, I feel like you all are going to guess this pretty quickly, but in this photo, there's obviously something very outdated, but I'm going to show you how little tweaks to it can dramatically improve not only your age, but your just overall outfit. So obviously in this photo, it's the turquoise chevron infinity scarf. It's very out of place, it's outdated, it's aging you if you're still wearing something like this. I'm so sorry. But I just want to show you that if you were hypothetically just to change this same scarf to a more neutral version like this, that immediately improves it. It's still a little outdated, so then I would say let's remove the infinity version. Let's actually just make it more of a scarf you would drape over your neck like this. Also, immediately better. But the ultimate upgrade would be a silk or satin scarf exactly like this. It's still a scarf, it's still an interesting accessory, but look how much younger and more stylish this version made her. Okay, moving along, now we're starting to get a little harder. So if you look at this photo, what do you think is out of place? What is actually maybe just outdated? Like, what is not good? Because overall, it's not that bad. And she's beautiful. The whole outfit is great. I would say what is actually bringing down the outfit is the Gucci Marmont bag. Not only is this designer bag just very outdated, but I would say as a whole, designer bags just aren't as cool anymore. But her top is great. I love her pants. The necklace is really cute. Her shoes are cute. Wait, her shoes. See, this is what I mean. AI is just cool, but stupid sometimes. I mean, look at that. Zoom in. Half her shoes missing. But let's look at this one. So she is wearing another Gucci Marmont bag, which we already established is very out of style. There is one more thing that I think she's wearing that is making her look older and outdated. And I'm gonna show you how we're going to improve it. So in my opinion, I think it is the skinny jeans. And luckily, like on the positive note, they're not distressed ripped skinny jeans. That would be way worse. But I do think this is a very outdated look. And if we were to simply switch it to straight leg jeans, that would be a slight improvement, but I still don't love it, especially since, straight legs with sneakers, not a great combo. As soon as she stands up, I feel like she's gonna look like a frumpy mess. Let's switch it to wide leg. That is way more in style. I know some of you feel like wide leg isn't that flattering, but if you wear a tighter top, it can be really nice. And wide leg with sneakers, great combination. So to me, this is definitely making her look younger, more youthful. and just more in style. Next we have this photo, which is just cracking me up. Like every picture is like the same two women, but overall she's very stylish, really cutesy, working in a coffee shop. I love her hair, I love her outfit, I love her accessories. Overall, this is great, except for one thing I would tweak. This isn't the worst thing in the world at all. This is very minor, but I hope you can see when I make this change. So this cardigan, like this gray cardigan draped over her shoulders. I love this little accessory. I think it's functional. I think it actually can improve an outfit, but I don't love mixing warm tones with cool tones. So overall, she's wearing a very warm based brown monochrome look, and I love it, but the gray is very cool tone. So I feel like it's a little out of place, and simply changing it to a cream cardigan that again is more warm toned goes so much better with the outfit. Now we have that same woman, surprise, surprise, decorating her impeccably stylish home, I might add. But can you spot what's wrong with her outfit? I think it is the silver belt. I don't think the silver belt is that bad on its own, but it's the fact that she's mixing it with that yellow gold necklace. And I've been saying for years, I love mixing my metals. Like all of my jewelry, I've got white gold, yellow gold, that's fine. Jewelry to me is different. But kind of going back to the last point, when you're mixing metals or mixing tones when it comes to clothes and accessories, like kind of competing genres in a way, that's where I think it's not great. So I would probably just remove the belt entirely, or I would change to a silver necklace. And then let's just zoom into that vase or vase on the books. Again, AI, like they say, it's gonna take over the world, and I think it probably will. But again, stupid. Moving along, we're back to the blonde, but what do you think is wrong with this outfit? I think it is very clearly the round-toed heels. They are instantly making her look older, they're aging her, they're so out of style, and it's such an easy swap to make this look better. If you want to be comfortable and maybe wear flats, loafers would be a good option, but I think the best improvement would definitely still be a low heel, but a kitten heel that is open toe like this. I think this is such a better shoe. It's so much more stylish, and she just looks a lot younger. Now we have this one, which I definitely think we're getting into more difficult territory, and I fear that some of you are going to think I'm just being annoying and nitpicky, which I probably am, but I do still think there is something about this outfit that is outdated. And I'm curious if you guys are thinking the same thing that I am, but I do think it's the buttons on the jeans, like near the crotch area. That particular style was so popular for so long, and we still do see it here and there, but not nearly as much. I think just a basic, regular pair of jeans with no buttons like this, and maybe even adding a belt, so much better, so much better. But with that said, if I see somebody wearing a pair of jeans or shorts like this with the buttons, I wouldn't think twice about it. It's not that serious. I was really just trying to rack my brain of different styles that aren't as in as they used to be. Like this. So I think we can all agree that cutout cold shoulder tops are very out of style. But she's so pretty. I feel like she kind of pulls it off and it doesn't look that bad. But I do think we could improve this outfit even more with the jeans. Here's the problem. So the black top, to me, again with the tones, doesn't really go with the dark blue vibrant jeans. Let's change it out to a lighter pair of denim like this. Is this better? Or is this worse? I don't know. I don't love this either. So let's go with a pair of black or maybe like dark gray, dark black jeans. I think we're kind of going in the right direction here. Again, the tones are a little bit more cohesive, but I think the best change would actually be a pair of creamy, flowy pants like this. Like these pants are just so in style that I feel like it makes the top work a little bit better if you add a black belt to kind of tie it all in. I really don't mind this. I still don't love the cold shoulder tops, but I think this outfit is a lot better. But I hope you found this video a little entertaining, but you should watch this one next because this stuff actually matters. These are products that are actually life-changing. They are so good. So I'll see you over there.